Hello students, today we will see seventh part of electoral politics. In this part, we will mainly discuss about three important things, or you can say three important parts of election procedure or process. First is election campaign, second election campaign period, and third is political slogans. Various political slogans were used, and in every election, to attract voters, various types of slogans are used by different political parties and leaders. Now, first of all, we will see election campaign, यानी कि जो लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए, प्रचार करने के लिए मेथड यूज़ करते हैं और जो टाइम मिलता है उसे हम कहते हैं इलेक्शन कैंपेन. What is the main purpose? The main purpose of election is to give people a chance to choose the representatives, the government, and the policies they prefer. So, election campaign is done no doubt to attract voters, but this also gives chance to people and to representative, both of them, uh, especially people, to choose their right candidate. And it is an opportunity for leaders also to attract voters. So it is important in both ways. So through this campaign, the government generally tries to tell, or various political parties tries to tell about their policies and programs which they would like to implement when they are elected. Therefore, it is necessary to have a free and open discussion about who is a better representative. So, which party will make a better government and what is good policy? So, here open discussion is there. All different political parties appreciate their policies, try to attract voters, at the same time they criticize other political parties, find out drawbacks of other political parties. This all we find at the time of election, but voters can see this discussion and can decide uh, to whom they should give vote. So voters definitely get opportunity to understand various political parties, their policies and programs. This is what happens during election campaign. Now, election campaign period, ये टाइम कितना होता है? No doubt various political parties start their campaign well in advance. काफ़ी महीने पहले वो अपना कैंपेन, इनडायरेक्ट कैंपेन तो स्टार्ट कर ही देते हैं, पार्टी के प्रोग्राम्स वो तैयार करने लगते हैं. बट ऑफिशियली campaign time is of 2 weeks. Generally, before election, 2 weeks time is given to political parties after final list, after the announcement of the final list of candidates and the date of polling. जब इलेक्शन कमीशन सारी डेट्स डिक्लेयर कर देती है और एक फाइनल लिस्ट नॉमिनेशन के बाद डिक्लेयर हो जाती है, उसके बाद 2 हफ्ते का टाइम मिलता है इलेक्शन कैंपेन के लिए. ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड द कैंडिडेट contact their voters, political leaders address election meetings, and political parties mobilize their supporters. So during this period, you can say various methods are used by leaders and political parties to attract their voters. But election campaign is not limited to these 2 weeks only. As I told you, that parties or candidates start their campaign well in advance to attract their voters. In election campaigns, political parties try to focus public attention on some big issues. वो अपने important points के तरफ लोगों का ध्यान attract करते हैं. They want to attract the public to that issue and get them to vote for their party on that basis. So जो भी उनके पॉइंट्स होते हैं उसकी तरफ वो लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करके वोट लेने की कोशिश करते हैं. देन in election campaign, political parties try to focus public attention on some big issues. Political slogans. Various political parties use various types of attractive slogans. Through these slogans, they want to give some message also, and they want to attract voters. In the past, some famous slogans were used by various political parties and leaders. For example, the Congress party, led by Indira Gandhi, gave the slogan of Garibi Hatao, remove poverty, in the Lok Sabha elections of 1971. 71 के इलेक्शन में ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्लोगन इंदिरा गांधी ने दिया था. इसी तरह से सेव डेमोक्रेसी was a slogan given by Janata Party under the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan in the Lok Sabha election held in 1977. So these are some important slogans. These things are very important for 1 mark questions, that who gave this slogan, it was behalf of which political party, in which year slogan was given, and in which type of election, Lok Sabha election, State Assembly election, किस election में उसे use किया गया था. So this type of 1 mark questions are possible from this part. Here you can see one photograph is there given regarding slogan. वो कहते हैं इंदिरा हटाओ, मैं कहती हूँ गरीबी हटाओ. So it was related to that remove poverty. Then this is one banner used at that time, save democracy. The left front used slogan of land to the tiller. All that communist parties used this slogan, land to the tiller. मतलब कि लैंड जो किसान हैं उनको दी जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि वही खेती करते हैं. लेकिन ऐसे बहुत सारे किसान हैं जिनके पास लैंड अपनी नहीं है. दे आर वर्किंग ऑन अदर्स एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस स्लोगन वाज यूज्ड इन द वेस्ट बंगाल बाय लेफ्ट फ्रंट इन असेंबली इलेक्शंस in 1977. Another slogan, protect the self-respect of the Telugus, was the slogan used by N.T. Rama Rao, the leader of the Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh in assembly elections in 1983. It is sometimes necessary to regulate campaigns to ensure that every political party and candidate gets a fair and equal chance to compete. According to our election law, no party can bribe or threaten voters. इलेक्शन के कुछ लॉ भी बनाए गए हैं. उस लॉ में क्या है कि कोई किसी को ब्राइब नहीं दे सकता, जैसे घूस नहीं दे सकता, गिफ्ट नहीं दे सकता, पैसे नहीं दे सकता, जस्ट फॉर वोट्स. सो इलेक्शन के टाइम में जब इलेक्शन डिक्लेयर हो जाते हैं तो फिर इन चीज़ों पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन लग सकती है. सेकंड चीज़, थ्रेटन वोटर्स, धमकी देना. इफ़ दिस कम्स टू द नॉलेज ऑफ इलेक्शन कमीशन, जो कि पूरा इलेक्शन कराने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, तो दे कैन टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट दैट लीडर. appeal to them in the name of caste or religion. ये एक और रूल है कि कास्ट और रिलीजन से रिलेटेड कोई बात नहीं होनी चाहिए. नो लीडर शुड अट्रैक्ट एनीवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट और रिलीजन. यूज गवर्नमेंट रिसोर्सेस फॉर इलेक्शन कैंपेन. इलेक्शन के लिए कोई भी गवर्नमेंट रिसोर्सेस का यूज़ नहीं करेगा, जैसे गवर्नमेंट की व्हीकल्स, एरोप्लेन्स, इन चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल या कोई भी और गवर्नमेंट की इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं उसको यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. स्पेंड मोर देन 25 लाख इन अ कंस्टिट्यूंसी फॉर लोकसभा इलेक्शन. लोकसभा इलेक्शन जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के इलेक्शन होते हैं लोकसभा के, उसमें 25 लाख से ज़्यादा एक लीडर खर्च नहीं कर सकता. दिस लिमिट इज डिसाइडेड सो दैट black money should not be used and there should be some restriction on unnecessary expenditure on election. And similar type of restriction is on assembly election. In one constituency, one leader can spend around 10 lakh rupees, not more than that. And after election, every leader is supposed to give the details of expenditure also. So this is all about this part of the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.